Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today's video is about how Malishka got ready on her birthday party. So let's get started. So I have taken Nivea soft moisturizer cream and I will dab all over her face with the lighter hand. Now with the light hand I will mix it on her skin. Now her skin is soft. Now I'll put a Studio Fix Max powder. I've taken very light powder just to remove all the oiliness from the moisturizer cream. Now I've taken Essence highlighter, which is a cream based highlighter. I'll put it on her eyelid. It gives a very nice shimmery effect on your eye as it is cream based. It pop up your eyes. See how nice shimmery it is looking. Now I've taken NYX eyeshadow palette. I'll take a light pink, very minimum amount of eyeshadow I have put on her eyelid just to give a pop of color, not very dark. I will just blend on both the eyes. In the inner corner I put a very light shade of white. Now at the outer V I put a light brown, very light shade of light brown in the V to give your eyes a good shape. As you can see, it's very light, it's not coming on camera that too much. Now I will put Maybelline gel eyeliner on her both eyelid. Now I will put eyeliner on her lower lid as well. You can see I finish in one eye. I will finish on the second eye too. Now eyes is done. Now I'm going to put Fit Me Maybelline blush. So very light, again very light handed. I have taken a very light peach shade so that it's not very dark on her skin or just pop off. Now she is ready for her birthday party. She wore this organza frock with flower inside the frock on her frills, and she wore a ballerina and a frilled socks matching to her dress, and a black necklace and a white bracelet. So she is ready for her birthday party. Hope you like this video. If you like our video, do subscribe us and don't forget to leave your comment below so that we can know what you're liking and what you're not liking. So please do subscribe and comment and like and do share the video. She's saying bye, love you all.